Hi, do you like baked goods? According to the current trends in the realm of baking, when indulgent consumer demands healthy, sustainable foods by Mario Martinez and Manuel Gomez in 2019, baked goods include cookies, for which are rich in fats and sugar, but represent an excellent choice for indulgent consumption. I definitely know I love baked treat here and there, and my favorite tends to be cookies. Some of my favorite treats also are high in carbs, and the problem with more carbs is the more sugar intake you have. I love cookies, and you guessed it, they are high in carbs and sugars. But today, I will tell you about the importance of eating a low sugar diet by using a recipe for chocolate chip cookies and show you how to make this delicious dessert. First, I will start by telling you why is it important to not eat too much sugar in your daily lives. I personally love sweets and sugary snacks, but too much sugar can lead to bad health. According to the article The Sweet Danger of Sugar by Harvard Health Publishing in 2017, there's an association between a high sugar diet and a greater risk of dying from heart disease. Sugar, although is a good taste and tasty, it can have a negative effect on your heart, but it can also affect your liver. Too much sugar can cause obesity and problems with your internal organs, and eventually it can also lead to diabetes. Too much sugar is a bad thing, but you can't obviously avoid it your whole life. So, as long as you limit your sugar intake, you can still enjoy your favorite sugary treats, but moderation is always key for this. Now that you know the importance of not consuming too much sugar, I will show you how to make a low sugar chocolate chip cookie. So I have already prepared all my ingredients to the side, and I'll show you. So according to the blog Chocolate Covered Katie in 2012, what you will need to make this is oat flour, but in my case, I chose coconut flour, some salt and baking soda, coconut sugar, but in my case, I'm using brown sugar today, regular sugar, some vanilla extract, coconut oil, melted, or if you don't, you can always use vegetable oil, chocolate chips, and milk of your choice, and another optional is nuts. So you can always substitute the flour, milk, sugar, and chocolate chips that you are using. And that's the best thing about eating healthy. There are so many different options for you to choose. Like in my case, I don't have coconut sugar, so I'll be using brown sugar today. It is very important to be able to modify your recipe because of allergies people may have to the ingredients that are going into your food. So now that I showed you the ingredients which you'll need for your cookies, I'll now begin to show you the steps of combining your ingredients and your final outcome. So the first step in making these cookies is you're going to want to preheat your oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. To mix all your ingredients, the easiest way is to use a mixer. But if you don't have one, you can always hand mix all your ingredients. So first step, you want to mix all your dry ingredients together. Okay, so now once all of your dry ingredients are fully mixed together, you're gonna now add your wet ingredients. So once you have all your ingredients mixed together, you are gonna now scoop out your cookie dough, make them into little balls like this, and then you're gonna put them on a baking sheet and put them in the oven for 7 minutes. You can always pre-chill your cookie dough and then put them in the oven, but I'm just gonna choose to put them right in the oven. You can do it for 7 minutes and then take them out, let them cool, and enjoy your cookies. Now that you're finished, you have some yummy cookies, and trust me, they are delicious. So to conclude my speech, I will be recapping my 3 points. First, I told my audience about the importance of reducing sugar intake along with some health factors. I informed my audience of the many ingredients that you would need to make these cookies, and lastly, I demonstrated how to prepare and to bake the cookies. I would like to leave my audience with a reminder that eating sugar is okay as long as you do it in moderation and always enjoy that delicious, freshly baked cookie. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these healthy cookies.